Yes, it is time for the X Weathercast. Our top news today, unusual weather. We go directly to Livy reporting on the scene.
Here we are, live from the scene. I'm standing here in a storm, and I don't know how long this will last. I'm sort of overwhelmed. Yes.
But I shall go too.
Experts say that this is due to the ice rep. We have received the ice rep report on the situation. You don't know how long the...
Are standing.
We can't call this unusual weather. Normal weather, that's all I can call it.
Here. This was from me. Back to media.
Yes, that was really quite a storm, wasn't it?